Hi everyone. I'm going to present my topic, um, and I decided to do it on climate change based on our oceans. So I chose this topic because obviously climate change is something that's happening now. Our own president said he doesn't see the effects of climate change, so I kind of wanted to point some out. Important reports came out near the end of 2018. It was the fourth National Climate Assessment, the NCA4 report. And then I'm also going to talk about the recent efforts to protect our oceans. So, whole ecosystems are being disrupted by rising temperatures. Rising temperatures are causing loss of important habitats and changing food webs in the ocean. This will increase as warming and oxygen loss across the world continues. Coral reef systems are also being affected. They support biodiversity and fisheries, and these fisheries support poor people all around the world. So, if our fisheries are affected, then that's affecting people as well. Tropical fish populations also decrease. So, once again, biodiversity is affected. Marine ecosystems and communities near the coast face risk from climate change related events. So, things like high water temperatures, flooding, low oxygen levels, and extreme weather events could affect those who live in coastal areas. So, like even Florida or Virginia, Costa Rica, places that are directly near the water. These extreme weather events are projected to happen more commonly and severely as climate change continues. So, if we don't work to stop this, then people are going to be affected, as well as obviously the creatures that live in the ocean. Another important topic, ocean acidification. The ocean obviously naturally generates oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The more fossil fuels that we burn, the more carbon dioxide is released that the ocean has to absorb. So the ocean is absorbing around 1/3 of our carbon dioxide currently. Um, so the ocean acidification causes higher acidity, um, or the carbon dioxide causes higher acidity that is damaging some ocean species. Um, it's damaging skeletons of some ocean creatures. The higher acidity is also affecting whole ecosystems like the coral reefs, which I already discussed, the biodiversity, and coral reef bleaching is a big issue because that leads to the death and decay of the coral reefs. So, what is being done? One thing that I came across online that was introduced in Congress in November 2018 is the Bipartisan Energy Innovation and Carbon Dividend Act. So basically, what it does is put a price on climate change causing carbon pollution, and that reduces the incentive to burn fossil fuels because if people are paying more money, they're not going to want to, burn fossil fuels. They're going to want to look for alternatives. So, my question to the class or anybody who watches this is what do you think the US could be doing to prevent further climate change damage to our oceans? I feel like this is obviously a big question and a big topic. There is so much more that can be done when it comes to pollution and not just ocean climate change. We have issues obviously with deforestation, um, just the rising temperatures globally, the melting ice caps. There's so much going on, and I honestly thought that it was extremely ignorant that Donald Trump said that he didn't see the effects of climate change. So, thank you for watching, and if you answer my question, thank you as well.